Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to update your Instagram app on iPhone quickly and easily. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, we will need to go to the App Store. Here, by clicking on the magnifying glass, we enter the word Instagram. Now we're going to click on the word Instagram. Select Instagram. Now click on the word Instagram. And we see that we have the word update here, which means update. So we click on that. It may take a while, about half a minute or a minute. Once Instagram finishes updating, you can just open it up, and it won't have the update line. That's how easy and simple it is on the iPhone to update your Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and write comments. See you soon.